Dr. Jamil, you've now been saying, long been saying India has lost the plot. When you see juxtapose the oxygen shortage deaths with the fact that there are no vaccines even for scheduled second doses, what is the purpose of this vaccine rollout? The vaccine rollout program seems to lie in tatters at this point.
Well, Barkha, a vaccine in a pandemic is supposed to save lives and to uh, cut short the pandemic. Uh, when we started rolling out vaccines, the program was good because it wanted to protect healthcare workers, frontline workers, and also people above 60, where mortality is the highest. Unfortunately, there was a time when we were on a downward slope, and right around that time, there was also concerns about blood clots in Europe. So that led to a lot of vaccine hesitancy, and people who should have been vaccinated at that point did not take the vaccine. Only about 50% people actually did. So now suddenly there is all this rush for people going to get vaccines. In the backdrop of this, of course, there have been concerns about vaccine supplies from the back end, which is entirely something that the government should have planned. And we knew ahead of time how many doses we will need by what date. So today, actually, the situation is that if India wants to vaccinate everyone above 18 uh, during this year, we will need to roll out 75 lakh doses every day. That's the calculation.
And we're close to 25 lakhs and it's
We
lagging.
are close to about 25 lakhs on a 7-day moving average right now. We've gone up to 40. We've
Yeah.
never gone beyond 40, 42 on any single day. So it's really a tall task. The supply chain issue becomes a very big issue. Uh, and and I'm sure you will talk about it on this show, the state versus private versus center. This has complicated things immensely. I mean, India is a country that has a lot of complications on a daily basis. So any solutions to India's complexities have to be simple solutions. The solutions cannot be equally complex, otherwise, it just amplifies. And this is what we are seeing actually right now.
And of course, questions will be raised as to why, caught up in this business of creating a Swadeshi vaccine, the clearances that we have now given to the foreign-made vaccines we did not do 2 months ago. Had we done that, just done that, had we just given Maharashtra the vaccines it asked for in the beginning, we would not be in this position, Dr. Jamil.
Well, I do agree, and some amount of vaccine supply planning was needed. I mean, I don't really care about this vaccine made in India, vaccine made outside. A vaccine is a vaccine. And the purpose of the vaccine really is to protect people.
Yeah.
If you're not able to protect people, how good is a vaccine made in the country or made outside the country? The bottom line is that you have to protect people, you have to save lives. And by the way, if we think that we are going to control the second surge with the vaccine, I think we are sadly mistaken. The time for that is over.
So
We are,
are you saying the second surge is something we just have to live through and bear the loss
yes,
and carry the
absolutely. I
cross?
mean, look at it logically, Barkha. If somebody starts getting the vaccine today, that person will be fully protected in 6 to 8 weeks. That person will not be protected tomorrow. So to cut transmission, to reduce the impact of this wave, you need time from a vaccine perspective. What the vaccine will do, if taken now, is to reduce the magnitude of the third wave, postpone the third wave, all of that. So vaccine is for the future. The time to take a vaccine to avert the second wave or reduce the second wave was in January, February. And sadly, we missed that.
So
So let's
we're
understand
just
this
going to have to
clearly.
tragically lose lives through the second surge.
So the focus should really be on saving lives, on making sure that the oxygen supply chain is good, making sure that the treatments people need are available to them, the medicines are available to them. Let's not be in the false impression that vaccine rollout now is going to prevent further surge of the second wave.